Hello, my name's Laurel Papworth, and I'm going to be giving a webinar on artificial intelligence, generative AI like ChatGPT. We have Midjourney, DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, and others. We're also going to talk about policies, regulations, how to approach implementing AI or blocking it for your organisation, for your students, for your teachers, and how to write an AI strategy. There's quite a lot to prompting at the moment. So there's basic prompting, we've got chain of thoughts, we've got tree of thoughts, we've got zero prompt, two-shot prompt, all kinds of prompting, system prompts. And if we have them sorted, we get a lot more benefit out of using ChatGPT or similar tools. Of course, there's not only ChatGPT, there's also a form of ChatGPT that can be implemented into your customer relationship management system, your accounting packages, into your student systems to help them as well. And if you don't want to connect to OpenAI's API back into their backend, into their ChatGPT, you can install a model in-house with your own algorithms and data sets so that it's ingesting your documents, your courseware, your standard operating procedures, your everything, and train it privately for your stakeholders. There's quite a lot to artificial intelligence, so I really hope to see you in the webinar. And if you have any questions, don't forget to ask me on the day. Thank you.